Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Commissions GPT review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this software called Commissions GPT. So this is the Commissions GPT review. Right now we are on the sales page and there is no demo video and no access, so it's all coming soon. This is launching tomorrow, but it's all coming soon, so give it a break. Okay, on sales page we have new for October 2023 ClickBank GPT affiliate swiftly swipes 24 divided by 7 commissions with affiliate AI that makes him $729 per promo. AI pays them blah 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 blah. Sorry about that. Okay, so we are done with the sales page. I don't have time for all of this. I will use the SLC formula and get over with it. Okay, because there's no demo video, so you don't know what will be inside the members area, what the software will do, and I hardly care. The bottom line is that you are not supposed to buy anything from this website called Warrior Plus. That's all you need to know for now and for the rest of your life. Don't buy anything from this website called Warrior Plus. That's good enough, because tomorrow I will not be here. So don't get ripped off. If I'm not making these videos, in the future, I'm not here to talk about this, then just remember what I said. Don't buy anything from this website called Warrior Plus. Got that? Sure, you got that. So this thing is going to cost you $10. Okay, remember that, $10. Okay, and then you will be given some more upsells, 97, 197. I mean, something starting with 10 bucks goes up to 197, 97. Are we doing bang gang or gang bang? What are we doing here? So let's come to the sales page and let's apply SLC formula. If you don't know what SLC means, simple logic, common sense. Okay, keep it simple. Nobody owes you anything, which means it is nobody's job to come on the internet and give you a system so that you make money. Who the F are you actually? Who the ABC until Z? Who are you to them? Why will they come, or why will I come, or why will a third person come so that you or I or somebody else, why we will come, or you understand what I mean? Why they will come or why I will come with a system for you so that you make money, and that too in $10. So don't try to complicate things. Don't try to assume that tomorrow you're going to have sex even though you're single from last 5 years though. Don't just assume things, okay? So nobody has got any system, especially for you. If somebody has got a system, they will use it themselves, okay? Nobody needs to come and launch and develop a system, a software for somebody else so that you make money with that system, and that too in only $10. Get a life. It's not that complicated to understand. It's quite simple, okay? Then apply the logic. Logic says $7, $50, $60 per promo, whatever they're trying to say here, per day maybe, okay? They're claiming that this system will make or is making them $760 whatever dollars per day, I believe. Well, you tell me one thing. If somebody like you or me, if we are making $700 per day with any fucking system, why will we give out that system to somebody in public? If you have that system, will you give that system to me? Answer is no. If I have that system, will I give that system to you? Answer is no. So nobody has got the system, and even if there was such a system, nobody is gonna give that system to anybody. And third thing is common sense. If somebody has got that system, let's assume by miracle that yes, there is a system on this planet which can make you this kind of money per day, then use your fucking common sense that will that somebody give you that system in only $10 or maybe in 37? I don't think so, okay? Even hypothetically, if there is a system which makes you $700 per day, that system will be sold to you for $70,000 at least, maybe more. But fortunately, unfortunately, there's no such system, okay? It's all hypothetical. It's all hypothetical, okay? It's all fucking fake. And I will not waste my time on this, okay? These are the OTOs. So Commissions GPT, get a life. Bottom line, what this software does, what will it do? Where's the demo video? Who cares? If they don't, then neither. It is their product, which is launching tomorrow on 14th of October. I am doing an early review just one day before. So if you have to catch your flight tomorrow and go on a trip, will you be all packed up by now or not? So if they are launching their product tomorrow, they were supposed to have all the demo videos ready for now, and they don't have it, okay? So I don't take them seriously. Neither should you, right? Bottom line, don't buy anything from this Warrior Plus website. That's it. That's it. Don't worry about what the software is gonna do, what it's not gonna do. Fuck it. Don't buy anything from Warrior Plus. Dead end. Because I will not be here tomorrow in the future. What will you do then? You can't rely on somebody else because somebody else got only 5 minutes for you. Go below my video. Click on the first link. I'm offering you 1, 2, 3, 4 bonuses on your ass. Buy from me. Tada bye bye. That's what you will hear when you watch other people's videos. So if I am not gonna do this, nobody else will. So you're gonna miss me in the future when I stop doing this. For now, don't buy this. If you want to make money online, I will give you the methods which I personally use to make money online. You follow me, you don't follow my methods, who cares? I'm making my money, nobody else cares about anything else, okay? So you make your money, I make, we are living our own lives. I am not responsible for making your money, and you are not responsible for making money for me. Are we clear? Okay, everybody makes their own money in some way or the other, but in case you want to do what I do, then check out these links below my video. The first link says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Forex trading is like this method: buy low, sell high, or buy high and sell low. We do this on automation. That's the trick. Okay, so you will have to go through the training, and then we will be using a software to do all this on automation. Okay, it's quite interesting if you follow this. And make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis is all about working on YouTube like me right now and making money on YouTube with the manual work, okay? So for now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. These buttons are for you people, okay? Let me knock, 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 knock. When somebody comes on YouTube, they don't make videos for themselves. I hope I am making sense. So when I am recording my YouTube videos, which you can see there are so many here, okay? So when I make these videos, what do you think? I'm making these videos for myself? Do I have to tell myself what to do or not to? I don't think so, okay? So these videos are for you people, which means you need to subscribe, you need to like, even if you don't like, okay? It's not about you like me, it's about technical requirement, because for God's sake, if you will have to come on YouTube tomorrow, this is what you will not, you will have to please your customer audience. At least I hardly care about pleasing anybody, because remember the tagline here: TubeCore, creating the need, not the greed. Okay, somebody who wants to create the greed, they will please you. But I am here creating the need. Okay, so if you want something which will make you money, go and get it. Otherwise, out. Subscribe and like. Watch the video till the end. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now, forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time, because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay. Now we will not be doing any of this manually, because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits. Okay, so again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about. Okay, I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those two videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype. Okay, do not contact me before watching those two videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without your without doing your homework. Okay, if you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those two videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing. because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine, I will be setting up the graph, I will be installing the software, I will be giving the settings to the software, everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex Thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website where it says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me, okay? The same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money, okay? And you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says, get kiss tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.